Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file withholding tax compensation. First, understand your obligations and identify the correct forms. Then, gather all necessary financial records to ensure accuracy. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and compliant filing process. We'll cover each step in detail, making it easy to follow along and manage your responsibilities effectively. Next, let's calculate the correct withholding amount. You'll need to determine the employee's gross pay for the period. Then, apply the appropriate federal, state, and local tax rates based on their W-4 form. Remember to consider any pre-tax deductions, like for health insurance, before calculating the final tax amount. Accuracy here prevents future issues. Reporting your withholding is a key step. You'll typically complete Form 941, Employer's Quarterly Federal Tax Return, 4 times a year. Annually, you must provide each employee with a Form W-2, Wage and Tax Statement, summarizing their earnings and taxes withheld. Always double-check that all information is accurate and consistent across forms. Finally, it's time to pay the withheld taxes. Most employers are required to deposit these taxes electronically, often through the electronic federal tax payment system. It's critical to adhere strictly to payment deadlines, which can be monthly or semi-weekly depending on your total tax liability. Timely payments help you avoid costly penalties and maintain compliance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.